इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस स्ट्रक्चर। इसी बात पर पार्टी हो जाए। दिस कॉल्स फॉर अ पार्टी। दिस कॉल्स फॉर अ पार्टी। इसी बात पर मिठाई हो जाए। दिस कॉल्स फॉर स्वीट्स। दिस कॉल्स फॉर स्वीट्स। इसी बात पर डांस हो जाए। दिस कॉल्स फॉर अ डांस। दिस कॉल्स फॉर अ डांस। इसी बात पर एक कप चाय हो जाए। दिस कॉल्स फॉर अ टी। दिस कॉल्स फॉर अ टी। अगर वो आ गई तो What if she comes? What if she comes? अगर वो चली गई तो What if she goes? What if she goes? अगर बारिश हो गई तो What if it rains? What if it rains? अगर वो गुस्सा हो गई तो What if she gets angry? What if she gets angry? अगर वो उदास हो गई तो What if she gets sad? What if she gets sad? तुम रहने दो, मैं चली जाऊंगी। You let it be, I will go. You let it be, I will go. तुम रहने दो, मैं कर लूंगी। You let it be, I will do. You let it be, I will do. तुम रहने दो, मैं पूछ लूंगी। You let it be, I will ask. You let it be, I will ask. तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत थी। You needed to go. You needed to go. तुम्हें सीखने की जरूरत थी। You needed to learn. You needed to learn. तुम्हें बताने की जरूरत थी। You needed to tell. You needed to tell. तुम्हें मुझसे मिलने की जरूरत थी। You needed to meet me. You needed to meet me. वो उदास लग रहा है। He seems to be upset. He seems to be upset. तुम खुश लग रहे हो। You seem to be happy. You seem to be happy. वो गुस्सा लग रही है। She seems to be angry. She seems to be angry. वो excited लग रहे हैं। They seem to be excited. They seem to be excited. वो बीमार लग रही थी। She seems to be sick. She seems to be sick. मैं जाना चाहता था। I wanted to go. I wanted to go. मैं बात करना चाहता था। I wanted to talk. I wanted to talk. मैं खाना चाहता था। I wanted to eat. I wanted to eat. मैं सोना चाहता था। I wanted to sleep. I wanted to sleep. मैं खेलना चाहती थी। I wanted to play. I wanted to play. मैं मिलना चाहती थी। I wanted to meet. I wanted to meet. मैं सीखना चाहता था। I wanted to learn. I wanted to learn. मैं बात करना चाहता था। I wanted to talk. I wanted to talk. तुम्हारे जूते पुराने हो गए हैं। Your shoes are worn out. Your shoes are worn out. तुम्हारा बैग पुराना हो गया है। Your bag is worn out. Your bag is worn out. तुम्हारा फोन पुराना हो गया है। Your phone is worn out. Your phone is worn out. तुम्हारी घड़ी पुरानी हो गई है। Your watch is worn out. Your watch is worn out. ठंड हो रही है. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. गर्मी हो रही है. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. मैं लेट हो रही हूँ. I am getting late. I am getting late. मैं तैयार हो रही हूँ. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. शुक्र मनाओ मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. Be grateful that I am with you. Be grateful that I am with you. शुक्र मनाओ कि सब ठीक है. Be grateful that everything is fine. Be grateful that everything is fine. शुक्र मनाओ कि वो आ गई थी. Be grateful that she came. Be grateful that she came. क्या तुम वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? क्या तुमने उससे बात की थी? Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him? क्या उसने खाना बनाया था? Did he cook food? Did he cook food? क्या उसने तुमसे बात की थी? Did he talk to you? Did he talk to you? मैं नाचने की शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of dancing. I am fond of dancing. मैं गाने की शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of singing. I am fond of singing. मैं खाने की शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of eating. I am fond of eating. मैं घूमने की शौकीन हूँ. I am fond of traveling. I am fond of traveling. जानबूझकर वो चली गई. Willingly she has gone. Willingly she has gone. जानबूझकर वो आ गई थी. Willingly she has came. Willingly she has came. जानबूझकर उसने तुम्हें बताया. Willingly she has told you. Willingly she has told you. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I will have to go. I will have to go. हमें जाना पड़ेगा. We will have to go. We will have to go. मुझे सीखना पड़ेगा. I will have to learn. I will have to learn. उसे सिखाना पड़ेगा. She will have to teach. She will have to teach. तुमने कितनी देर डांस किया? How long did you dance? How long did you dance? तुमने कितनी देर पढ़ाई की? How long did you study? How long did you study? मैं कैसे पूछूं? How shall I ask? How shall I ask? मैं कैसे बताऊं? How shall I tell? How shall I tell? मैं कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं? How shall I explain? How shall I explain? मैं कैसे खाऊं? How shall I eat? How shall I eat? हमें कौन पूछ सकता है? Who can ask us? Who can ask us? हमारी मदद कौन कर सकता है? Who can help us? Who can help us? हमें कौन बता सकता है? Who can tell us? Who can tell us? मैं डांस नहीं करती. I do not dance. I do not dance. मैं खाना नहीं बनाती. I do not cook. I do not cook. मैं बात नहीं करती. I do not talk. I do not talk. मैं नहीं खेलता. I do not play. I do not play. मुझे कुत्तों से डर लगता है. I am afraid of dogs. I am afraid of dogs. मुझे चूहों से डर लगता है. I am afraid of rats. I am afraid of rats. मुझे ऊंचाई से डर लगता है. I am afraid of heights. I am afraid of heights. मुझे कॉकरोचों से डर लगता है. I am afraid of cockroaches. I am afraid of cockroaches. मुझे पानी से डर लगता है. I am afraid of water. I am afraid of water. मेरे पास कार होगी. I will have a car. I will have a car. मेरे पास एक अच्छी जॉब होगी. I will have a good job. I will have a good job. मेरे पास एक फ़ोन होगा. I will have a phone. I will have a phone. मेरे पास एक घर होगा. I will have a house. I will have a house. मेरे पास एक बाइक होगी. I will have a bike. I will have a bike. कॉलेज कितना दूर है? How far is the college? How far is the college? अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि डेली वीडियोस की अपडेट आपको मिलती रहे. तुम्हारा ऑफिस कितना दूर है? How far is your office? How far is your office? होटल कितना दूर है? How far is the hotel? How far is the hotel? बैंक कितना दूर है? How far is the bank? How far is the bank? हॉस्पिटल कितना दूर है? How far is the hospital? How far is the hospital? आऊँ क्या? Shall I come? Shall I come? बोलूँ क्या? Shall I speak? Shall I speak? जाऊँ क्या? Shall I go? Shall I go? पढ़ाऊँ क्या? Shall I teach? Shall I teach? पहले जाऊँ क्या? Shall I go first? Shall I go first? मैं खाऊँ क्या? Shall I eat? Shall I eat? मुझे आना है. I have to come. I have to come. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. मुझे बात करनी है. I have to talk. I have to talk. मुझे खेलना है. I have to play. I have to play. मुझे पूछना है. I have to ask. I have to ask. मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to read. I have to read. मुझे देखना है. I have to see. I have to see. मुझे कोशिश करनी है. I have to try. I have to try. जितना खरीद सकते हो उतना खरीदो. Buy as much as you can. Buy as much as you can. जितना खा सकते हो उतना खाओ. Eat as much as you can. Eat as much as you can. जितना खेल सकते हो उतना खेलो. Play as much as you can. Play as much as you can. जितना नाच सकते हो उतना नाचो. Dance as much as you can. Dance as much as you can. जितना पढ़ सकते हो उतना पढ़ो. Study as much as you can. Study as much as you can. जितना पढ़ा सकते हो उतना पढ़ाओ. Teach as much as you can. Teach as much as you can. जितना सो सकते हो उतना सो. Sleep as much as you can. Sleep as much as you can. क्या तुम बात करोगे? Will you talk? Will you talk? क्या तुम जाओगे? Will you go? Will you go? क्या वो जाएगा? Will he go? Will he go? क्या तुम खेलोगे? Will you play? Will you play? क्या तुम पढ़ोगे? Will you study? Will you study? वो शायद आ सकती है. She may come. She may come. आज शायद बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. हम शायद जा सकते हैं. We may go. We may go. वो जा सकता है. He may go. He may go. वो शायद पढ़ा सकती है. She may teach. She may teach. वो शायद ये काम छोड़ सकता है. He may leave this job. He may leave this job. तुम शायद जीत सकते हो. You may win. You may win. कौन जाना नहीं चाहता? Who doesn't want to go? Who doesn't want to go? कौन मिलना नहीं चाहता? Who doesn't want to meet? Who doesn't want to meet? कौन सीखना नहीं चाहता? Who doesn't want to learn? Who doesn't want to learn? कौन कमाना नहीं चाहता? Who doesn't want to earn? Who doesn't want to earn? कौन पैसा बचाना नहीं चाहता? Who doesn't want to save money? Who doesn't want to save money? कौन वहाँ जाना नहीं चाहता? Who doesn't want to go there? Who doesn't want to go there? मैं जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to go. I want to go. मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ. I want to talk. I want to talk. मैं खाना चाहती हूँ. I want to eat. I want to eat. मैं देखना चाहती हूँ. I want to see. I want to see. मैं खेलना चाहती हूँ. I want to play. I want to play. मैं बताना चाहती हूँ. I want to tell. I want to tell. मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ. I want to ask. I want to ask. मैं कोशिश करती रही. I kept on trying. I kept on trying. मैं पढ़ाई करती रही. I kept on studying. I kept on studying. मैं बात करती रही. I kept on talking. I kept on talking. मैं बोलती रही. I kept on speaking. I kept on speaking. मैं पढ़ाती रही. I kept on teaching. I kept on teaching. हम खाते रहे. We kept on eating. We kept on eating. वो बात करती रही. She kept on talking. She kept on talking. उसको बोलो बाहर चले जाए. Ask him to go outside. Ask him to go outside. उसको बोलो खाना खा ले. Ask him to have food. Ask him to have food. उसको बोलो सो जाए. Ask him to sleep. Ask him to sleep. उसको बोलो खाना बना दे. Ask him to make food. Ask him to make food. उसको बोलो पढ़ाई करे. Ask him to study. Ask him to study. उसको बोलो माफी मांगे. Ask him to apologize. Ask him to apologize. उसको बोलो माफ कर दे. Ask him to forgive. Ask him to forgive. मुझे ये खाना मना है. I am forbidden to eat this. I am forbidden to eat this. मुझे मीठा खाना मना है. I am forbidden to eat sweet. I am forbidden to eat sweet. मुझे तीखा खाना मना है. I am forbidden to eat spicy. I am forbidden to eat spicy. मुझे वहाँ जाना मना है. I am forbidden to go there. I am forbidden to go there. मुझे ये करना मना है. I am forbidden to do this. I am forbidden to do this. मुझे डांस करना मना है. I am forbidden to dance. I am forbidden to dance. वो मदद मांग रहा है. He is asking for help. He is asking for help. वो तुम्हारा फोन मांग रहा है. He is asking for your phone. He is asking for your phone. वो तुम्हारी गाड़ी मांग रहा है. He is asking for your car. He is asking for your car. वो तुम्हारे जूते मांग रहा है. He is asking for your shoes. He is asking for your shoes. वो तुम्हारी पर्स मांग रही है. She is asking for your purse. She is asking for your purse. वो तुम्हारे नोट्स मांग रहा है. He is asking for your notes. He is asking for your notes. वो पैसे मांग रहा है. He is asking for money. He is asking for money. तुम वहाँ जा सकते हो. You can go there. You can go there. तुम ये मैच जीत सकते हो. You can win this match. You can win this match. तुम यहाँ से कूद सकते हो. You can jump from here. You can jump from here. तुम ये खा सकते हो. You can eat this. You can eat this. तुम ये कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. तुम उसको पढ़ा सकते हो. You can teach him. You can teach him. तुमने ये ज़रूर सुना होगा. You must have heard this. You must have heard this. उसने ज़रूर ऐसा सुना होगा. She must have heard this. She must have heard this. उसने ज़रूर तुमसे पूछा होगा. He must have asked you. He must have asked you. तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो. You are good for nothing. You are good for nothing. मेरा फ़ोन किसी काम का नहीं है. My phone is good for nothing. My phone is good for nothing. ये गाड़ी किसी काम की नहीं है. This car is good for nothing. This car is good for nothing. ये बैग किसी काम का नहीं है. This bag is good for nothing. This bag is good for nothing. ये टीवी किसी काम की नहीं है. This TV is good for nothing. This TV is good for nothing. मैं निकलने वाली हूँ. I am about to leave. I am about to leave. वो पहुँचने वाली है. She is about to reach. She is about to reach. वो जाने वाली है. She is about to go. She is about to go. बारिश होने वाली है। इट इज अबाउट टू रेन। इट इज अबाउट टू रेन। हम जीतने वाले हैं। वी आर अबाउट टू विन। वी आर अबाउट टू विन। वो जाने वाला है। ही इज अबाउट टू गो। ही इज अबाउट टू गो। मम्मी यहाँ आने वाली है। मम्मी इज अबाउट टू कम हियर। मम्मी इज अबाउट टू कम हियर। आपको क्या क्या पसंद है? What all do you like? What all do you like? आप क्या क्या करते हो? What all do you do? What all do you do? आप क्या क्या खाते हो? What all do you eat? What all do you eat? आप क्या क्या पढ़ाते हो? What all do you teach? What all do you teach? अगर वो आ गई तो What if she comes? What if she comes? अगर वो चला गया तो What if he goes? What if he goes? अगर वो जीत गई तो What if she wins? What if she wins? अगर हम हार गए तो What if we lose? What if we lose? आपका ऑर्डर डिलीवर कर दिया जाएगा। Your order will be delivered. Your order will be delivered. आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा। You will be informed. You will be informed. आपको पढ़ा दिया जाएगा। You will be taught. You will be taught. उसको बता दिया जाएगा। She will be told. She will be told. मेरा बात करके मन नहीं भरता। I can't get enough of talking. I can't get enough of talking. मेरा सोकर मन नहीं भरता। I can't get enough of sleeping. I can't get enough of sleeping. मेरा टीवी देखकर मन नहीं भरता। I can't get enough of watching TV. I can't get enough of watching TV. मैं जॉब ढूंढ रही हूँ। I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. मैं रूम ढूंढ रही हूँ। I am looking for a room. I am looking for a room. मैं चाबी ढूंढ रही हूँ। I am looking for a key. I am looking for a key. मैं घड़ी ढूंढ रही हूँ। I am looking for a watch. I am looking for a watch. मैं अपनी फेवरेट ड्रेस खरीद पाई। I could buy my favorite dress. I could buy my favorite dress. मैं उसको समझा पाई। I could make him understand. I could make him understand. हम मैच जीत पाए। We could win the match. We could win the match. इंडिया मैच जीत पाई। India could win the match. India could win the match. तुमने कोशिश नहीं की थी क्या? Didn't you try? Didn't you try? तुमने बात नहीं की थी क्या? Didn't you talk? Didn't you talk? तुम वहाँ गए नहीं थे क्या? Didn't you go there? Didn't you go there? तुमने उसको बताया नहीं था क्या? Didn't you tell him? Didn't you tell him? क्या तुमने मुझसे पूछा नहीं था? Didn't you ask me? Didn't you ask me? सीखने में समय लगता है। It takes time to learn. It takes time to learn. खाना बनाने में समय लगता है। It takes time to cook food. It takes time to cook food. पढ़ाने में समय लगता है। It takes time to teach. It takes time to teach. पहुंचने में समय लगता है। It takes time to reach. It takes time to reach. ये घर किसका है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? ये पेन किसका है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? ये बैग किसका है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? ये बाइक किसका है? Whose bike is this? Whose bike is this? ये कार किसकी है? Whose car is this? Whose car is this? ये घर किसका है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? ये पेन किसका है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? ये बैग किसका है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? ये गाड़ी किसकी है? Whose car is this? Whose car is this? ये पर्स किसकी है? Whose purse is this? Whose purse is this? ये फोन किसका है? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? तुम्हारे जूते पुराने हो गए हैं. Your shoes are worn out. Your shoes are worn out. मेरे ड्रेस पुराने हो गए हैं. My dresses are worn out. My dresses are worn out. मेरा फोन पुराना हो गया है. My phone is worn out. My phone is worn out. मेरी घड़ी पुरानी हो गई है. My watch is worn out. My watch is worn out. मेरी जैकेट पुरानी हो गई है. My jacket is worn out. My jacket is worn out. तुम्हारा बैग पुराना हो गया है. Your bag is worn out. Your bag is worn out. मैं थोड़ी देर में जाऊंगी. I will go in a while. I will go in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में पहुंच जाऊंगी. I will reach in a while. I will reach in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में पढ़ाई करूंगी. I will study in a while. I will study in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में पढ़ाऊंगी. I will teach in a while. I will teach in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में खाऊंगा. I will eat in a while. I will eat in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में खेलूंगा. I will play in a while. I will play in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में करूंगा. I will do in a while. I will do in a while. कभी कभी मैं मूवीज देखता हूँ. I watch movies at times. I watch movies at times. कभी कभी मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. I play cricket at times. I play cricket at times. कभी कभी हम बात करते हैं. We talk at times. We talk at times. कभी कभी मैं खेलता हूँ. I play at times. I play at times. कभी कभी मैं जाती हूँ. I go at times. I go at times. कभी कभी मैं मिलती हूँ. I meet at times. I meet at times. कभी कभी मैं खाना बनाती हूँ. I cook food at times. I cook food at times. मेरे पास फोन है. I have a phone. I have a phone. मेरे पास अच्छे जॉब है. I have a good job. I have a good job. मेरे पास एक घर है. I have a house. I have a house. मेरे पास एक गाड़ी है. I have a car. I have a car. मेरे पास एक बिल्ली है. I have a cat. I have a cat. मेरे पास एक आइडिया है. I have an idea. I have an idea. मेरे पास एक आईफोन है. I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए था. You should have gone. You should have gone. तुम्हें आना चाहिए था. You should have come. You should have come. तुम्हें बताना चाहिए था. You should have told. You should have told. तुम्हें पूछना चाहिए था. You should have asked. You should have asked. तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए था. You should have read. You should have read. तुम्हें लिखना चाहिए था. You should have written. You should have written. तुम्हें कहना चाहिए था. You should have said. You should have said. तुम्हें करना चाहिए था। You should have done. You should have done. वो जा रही होगी। She would be going. She would be going. वो सो रही होगी। She would be sleeping. She would be sleeping. वो खेल रहा होगा। He would be playing. He would be playing. वो पढ़ रही होगी। She would be studying. She would be studying. वो पढ़ा रही होगी। She would be teaching. She would be teaching. वो बात कर रहा होगा। He would be talking. He would be talking. वो व्यस्त होगी। She would be busy. She would be busy. वो ड्राइव कर रहा होगा। He would be driving. He would be driving. मैं बात कर रही थी। I was talking. I was talking. मैं खेल रही थी। I was playing. I was playing. मैं सोच रही थी। I was thinking. I was thinking. मैं कोशिश कर रही थी। I was trying. I was trying. मैं कर रही थी। I was doing. I was doing. मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी। I was studying. I was studying. मैं पढ़ा रही थी। I was teaching. I was teaching. इसमें रोने की क्या बात है? What is there to cry? What is there to cry? इसमें जाने की क्या बात है? What is there to go? What is there to go? इसमें हंसने की क्या बात है? What is there to laugh? What is there to laugh? दिल खोल के खाओ। Feel free to eat. Feel free to eat. दिल खोल कर बातें करो। Feel free to talk. Feel free to talk. दिल खोल कर डांस करो। Feel free to dance. Feel free to dance. दिल खोल कर सवाल पूछो। Feel free to ask question. Feel free to ask question. दिल खोल कर खेलो। Feel free to play. Feel free to play. दिल खोल कर पढ़ाई करो। Feel free to study. Feel free to study. दिल खोल के शॉपिंग करो। Feel free to shopping. Feel free to shopping. अपने कपड़े वॉश करवा लो। Get your clothes washed. Get your clothes washed. अपना AC इंस्टॉल करवा लो। Get your AC installed. Get your AC installed. अपने बाल कटवा लो। Get your hair cut. Get your hair cut. अपनी गाड़ी वॉश करवा लो। Get your car washed. Get your car washed. अपना घर पेंट करवा लो। Get your home painted. Get your home painted. मुझे डांस करने का शौक है। I am fond of dancing. I am fond of dancing. मुझे घूमने का शौक है। I am fond of traveling. I am fond of traveling. मुझे किताबें पढ़ने का शौक है। I am fond of reading books. I am fond of reading books. मुझे गाने का शौक है। I am fond of singing. I am fond of singing. मुझे खाने का शौक है। I am fond of eating. I am fond of eating. मैं पढ़ाती तो हूँ। I do teach. I do teach. मैं खाना बनाती तो हूँ। I do cook food. I do cook food. मैं तुमसे बात करती तो हूँ। I do talk to you. I do talk to you. वो पहुँच चुका होगा। He would have reached. He would have reached. वो सो चुका होगा। He would have slept. He would have slept. वो निकल चुकी होगी। She would have left. She would have left. क्यों ना हम कोशिश करें? Shouldn't we try? Shouldn't we try? क्यों ना हम मिले? Shouldn't we meet? Shouldn't we meet? क्यों ना हम खेले? Shouldn't we play? Shouldn't we play? क्यों ना हम डांस करें? Shouldn't we dance? Shouldn't we dance? क्यों ना हम सीखें? Shouldn't we learn? Shouldn't we learn? क्यों ना हम बात करें? Shouldn't we talk? Shouldn't we talk? चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. चलो बात करते हैं. Let's talk. Let's talk. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. चलो खेलते हैं. Let's play. Let's play. चलो पढ़ते हैं. Let's study. Let's study. चलो मूवी देखते हैं. Let's watch movie. Let's watch movie. चलो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Let's practice. Let's practice. मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा है. I am having a headache. I am having a headache. मेरे गले में दर्द हो रहा है. I am having a sore throat. I am having a sore throat. मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. I am having a stomach ache. I am having a stomach ache. मेरे दांत में दर्द हो रहा है. I am having a toothache. I am having a toothache. कभी तो सोचो. Do ever think. Do ever think. कभी तो कोशिश करो. Do ever try. Do ever try. कभी तो बात करो. Do ever talk. Do ever talk. कभी तो बोलो. Do ever speak. Do ever speak. कभी तो पढ़ो. Do ever study. Do ever study. कभी तो जाओ. Do ever go. Do ever go. कभी तो आओ. Do ever come. Do ever come. जाने के बाद. After going. After going. आने के बाद. After coming. After coming. पहुंचने के बाद. After reaching. After reaching. निकलने के बाद. After leaving. After leaving. बोलने के बाद. After speaking. After speaking. बात करने के बाद. After talking. After talking. पढ़ाई करने के बाद. After studying. After studying. जाने से पहले. Before going. Before going. खाने से पहले. Before eating. Before eating. बात करने से पहले. Before talking. Before talking. पढ़ने से पहले. Before studying. Before studying. सोने से पहले. Before sleeping. Before sleeping. सोचने से पहले. Before thinking. Before thinking. मैं थक जाता हूँ. I get tired. I get tired. मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ. I get bored. I get bored. मैं खुश हो जाती हूँ. I get happy. I get happy. मैं लेट हो जाता हूँ. I get late. I get late. मैं पहले बुक पढ़ती थी. I used to read books. I used to read books. मैं पहले क्रिकेट देखता था. I used to watch cricket. I used to watch cricket. मैं पहले जाती थी. I used to go. I used to go. मैं पहले खाती थी. I used to eat. I used to eat. मैं पहले खेलती थी. I used to play. I used to play. तुमने मेरा फोन गिरा दिया. You dropped my phone. You dropped my phone. तुमने मेरा बैग गिरा दिया. You dropped my bag. You dropped my bag. तुमने मेरा पर्स गिरा दिया. You dropped my purse. You dropped my purse. तुमने मेरा बुक गिरा दिया. You dropped my book. You dropped my book. तुमने मेरा फाइल गिरा दिया. You dropped my file. You dropped my file. तुमने मेरा टिफिन गिरा दिया. You dropped my tiffin. You dropped my tiffin. मुझे सोचना पड़ रहा है. I am having to think. I am having to think. मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है. I am having to go. I am having to go. मुझे बोलना पड़ रहा है. I am having to speak. I am having to speak. मुझे पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. I am having to study. I am having to study. क्या हम खेलें? Shall we play? Shall we play? क्या हम पढ़ें? Shall we study? Shall we study? क्या हम सीखें? Shall we learn? Shall we learn? वो क्या खा रही है? What is she eating? What is she eating? वो क्या बना रही है? What is she cooking? What is she cooking? वो क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? वो क्या बोल रही है? What is she speaking? What is she speaking? वो क्या पूछ रही है? What is she asking? What is she asking? वो क्या बता रही है? What is she telling? What is she telling? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Follow for more.